Before you start your AutoCAD journey, basics to know. To start AutoCAD, follow these steps. 1. Launch the AutoCAD application by double-clicking on its desktop shortcut or selecting it from the Start menu. 2. Once AutoCAD is open, you'll be presented with a blank drawing area called the Workspace. 3. You can begin working by selecting commands from the toolbar at the top of the window, or by using the command line at the bottom of the window. To create a new drawing, go to the File menu and select New or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-N. 5. Choose the appropriate template or select Start from Scratch to begin with a blank drawing. 6. Start designing by using tools such as lines, circles, rectangles, and other geometric shapes available in the toolbar. Seven. Save your work regularly by going to the File menu and selecting Save or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-S. Eight. When you're finished, you can exit AutoCAD by going to the File menu and selecting Exit or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Q. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my Greedy Calm channel. Goodbye.